Hello everyone! On this episode I will be working on my 2020 Honda Africa Twin. So let's start with this repair.
My dog doesn't like this. You don't like the bike? She doesn't like wheels, I don't know why. Honda look pretty good too. The biggest issue is that I don't have key for this bike. This bike is from United States. In USA, motorcycle usually doesn't have immobilizer, so I can order the key for this bike and the motorcycle should start. But if immobilizer is there, I have big problems because I need to change the computers. Such a stupid procedure in Honda. You cannot order the key, you have to buy key, some modules, and this cost is about, in Europe, $2,500. Ow! I was asking about the headlamp because the main issue is this headlamp, because I cannot find used one. All the plastic things are on the market, so this is not a problem to order. But the headlamp isn't. The headlamp in the Honda dealership, the price is $800, so I think it is a very good price for the new headlamp.
As you can see, this motorcycle have right side damage. In my opinion, nothing major. Only the plastics are destroyed. The motorcycle has 30 miles on the digital gauge, so very low mileage. And I hope the whole repair will be nice and pleasant. So, like I said before, let's start doing this. So at this stage I will be putting all the parts to this cardboard box because I don't want to lose anything. As you can see, I have a new toy. A few days ago I had my birthday, and this is my new birthday present, so I received 3 of those. I'm still learning using it. precious time, like the Ducati, you have to find every bolt. So the disassembly process takes a little bit longer because you have to learn where is everything. And when I will be assemble this motorcycle for example, in 2 weeks or 4 weeks later, I always put screws on place. Sometimes you cannot remember where to put everything. So if you have bolts here, when I will take the plastic, there will be no problem to assemble it. I don't know I don't know where this firing holds. As you can see, I am on the other side, and here are broken things that hold the firing. So I think I need to pull the firing from this side because there is nothing. I unscrew everything, and here is the second one. As you can see, so I will use some force. Hope nothing will break. Oh, it was holding very hard. No scissors. So now I have access to turbo signal. Here is a USB port to protect it from water to get into those plugs. It looks silly, but this part we have to pull it. Here's some mounts, and whole piece look like this. And same will be here. Hard to do with one hand. And now I will unscrew the broken headlamp. Sometimes we have to use force, so you have to pull it here and here. Oh, and here is some, I think this is here is the GPS antenna. Oh, so I need to be careful. I need to disassemble it. So I need to plug off the GPS antenna and okie dokie, and the headlamp is finally disassembled. Cool. So, as you see, the headlamp is piece of giant. So, like I said in the introduction, I need to order this part in the dealership. The price is around 800 US dollars. I will receive it if I order it today. They need 1 week to ship it to me. So the whole front is disassembled. I need to unscrew some firings from the back and order the parts.